If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Huntington Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check account balance. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account. Log into your Huntington Bank account online or via the mobile app to verify your balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's account number, routing number, and payment amount. Any errors in these details can cause the payment to fail. Step 3. Review payment limits. Check if you have reached any daily or monthly payment limits set by Huntington Bank. These limits can prevent additional transactions from being processed. Step 4. Update payment method. If you are using an outdated payment method, such as an expired debit or credit card, update your payment information in your account settings to ensure transactions can go through. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues with Huntington Bank. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from the bank.